Hi, I am Jake D. Handyman. Jake D. Handyman and Locksmith. I am a locksmith. Here in Jacksonville, Florida. This is Miss Piggy here. This is Miss Piggy. See Miss Piggy? This is my neighborhood. Once again, I am Jake D. Handyman. Today is June 24, 2015, Wednesday afternoon. I am Jake D. Handyman and Locksmith Man. I've been around since 1999. I moved from New Orleans, Louisiana to Jacksonville, Florida, starting in 2010. I make keys. I program keys. I program remote control for automobiles. I do automobiles. I do motorcycles. I do everything in the locksmith industry. I do apartments. I do home, business, commercial. I do everything. This is me. Jacksonville, Florida, Duval County. I am on the south side of Jacksonville, Florida, off of Southside Boulevard. That's Miss Piggy right there. Piggy. Locksmith Jake Morgan. Once again, today is June 24th, 2015, Wednesday, Jacksonville, Florida, Duval County, on the south side, off Southside Boulevard. Let's go inside. Dark, 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 dark. I know it's dark. That's my radio. That's my binoculars. That's my weather coat. That's my ladder, my weights, exercise stuff. Read that. Read that. Nah, that's a BB gun. Oh yeah, firefighter. There go my little chainsaw, bicycle, all kind of stuff. Pressure washer. There it is. That's a generator there. That's a generator. See what time it is in Jacksonville, Florida, Duval County. South Side. Off Southside Boulevard. That's my key machine. That's my laser cut key machine. Look at all my little keys. I'm going to put my website on there so you all can see who I am, who you're dealing with. Danging around, waiting on the phone call. I advertise on Google. I advertise on the internet. I advertise on Bing. I advertise on Yahoo, Google, Craigslist. All you got to do is look for Jake D. D-E. Handyman and Locksmith Man. You'll see my website. I'm going to put it on here. Been around since 1999. Some of my stuff I use to make keys. Pressure washer. Generator. TV. Oh yeah. Just trying to keep it real. I want everybody to know I am Jake Morgan. Jake Morgan. J-A-K-E. Middle initial A and Apple. M-O-R-G-A-N. This out here in the yard. Waiting on all the phone calls. One of my neighbors. That's one of my neighbors.